This is the handheld USB-C charge vacuum sealer with 30 vacuum seal bags. We're gonna go camping this weekend and we wanted to do some Korean barbecue style pork. So we've got pork belly sliced into strips and we're gonna freeze pack it and bring it to the campsite. And we wanted to make sure that they're not taking up too much room and pre-cut and pre-slice. And it comes with a USB cable, USB-C charger with a USB-A on the other side. It also comes with the clips to seal the vacuum sealer. It's my first time using this type of device. It's kind of compact. It's about the same size as a whisk, like the electric whisk that we have here. It's about the same size as this one. And it's just a one-touch operation. You press the button and it flashes until it starts to vacuum seal. It does come with 30 in a pack and a clip. So it works just like our vacuum sealers that we use for our blankets and our pillows. So this is the two size. This is the bigger size of the two. This is the 11 by 12 inch, I believe, and then there is a smaller size. You can see them here all neatly packed in the package. And the bigger ones are over here. And this is what it looks like when you try to do the vacuum seal. So you press the button until it stops and takes out all the air. Oh, yeah, I think it's because it's touching the meat. So you gotta make sure it's not touching anything on the inside. This is one thing you gotta learn, is to not have, you'll notice even in the photos, the vacuum seal pocket shouldn't be touching any food because it'll block the sealer from taking out all the oxygen. There's the traditional type that looks about the same size as a aluminum foil roll, but this is way more compact. I wish it didn't have that issue, but it works just like a bag. So on soups it wouldn't have this issue, but for meat, if that gets into the sealer hole, it will stop taking out the oxygen, but you can see how tightly packed it can go. And it's automatic, so you one touch to press, and then when it detects that the suction is maxed out, it will stop. So we've got the packs over here, these bacon thick cut style pork bellies that we're going to take to the campsite, save some room, and freeze it so it doesn't take much room and it's easy to pack. This is our first time using it. It seems pretty easy to use, and we just got to make sure you're not touching any of the meat. So it's nowhere near like an industrial one, but for the typical kitchen, like what we do, for soups and stuff, this will be perfect for that kind of situation. And if you want to marinate the meats, you can do just the same. And you can see we're just adjusting so that the vacuum portion does not touch the meat. So this is kind of a lesson on how to use the product here at home. Again, just like a blanket package or pack package where you go on vacation, I like to vacuum seal everything. And there you go. If you like these type of reviews, consider following my channel. I hope it answers a lot of your questions. Thank you for your time.